Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Anthony Bricky. This is my YouTube channel. Trout Time. My mouth is starting to get cold and freeze. I'm not a professional angler. I'm not a river guide. I just go fishing when I can and see how I do. And today is a special trip. When I say me, let me get around here where you can see, and I'm trying to angle. There's Tim, the trout man. We are after a rare species of trout. It's the snow trout. And I will explain a snow trout if Tim or I are able to catch one. So it is snowing, it is cold, we're gonna have a good time. If anything, it's just two grown men playing in the snow, but it's all right. We're gonna have a good time. Let's go to fishing. Okay, I'm not wearing my waders. They're not generating. There's a deep channel right in the middle of the river here. And I'm gonna start with this Rapala F11 rainbow pattern. I'm gonna see if there may be a big brown down there just lurking. I don't know. We're gonna find out. And it's a beautiful snowfall today. It has been heavy at times. It's snowfall here in East Tennessee. You got about an inch on the ground, you go about a block and there's nothing. All right, Tim's got the first snow trout in a long time down here. Little brownie, or I'm sorry, a little snow brown. Let me hold the rod or anything. Little first snow trout in a long time. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Anthony, that's just a regular brown trout. There's nothing spectacular about it. But let me explain. A snow trout is simply a trout, whether it be a brown, rainbow, brook. It's just a trout that's caught while there's an inch of snow on the ground or there's snow in the air and it's actively snowing. That's what a snow trout is. And that's why I call it, because I love fishing when it's snowing and it's so much fun. So I started calling these snow trout years ago, and now I'm introducing you to snow trout. So let's go see if we can catch some more. Let me apologize. It looks like snow's starting to accumulate on the lens. If the lens is fogging up, I apologize. Tim has caught two on a lure really similar to this. Trout magnet, Walmart special, bright green, yellow, orange belly. So you know what? If he's catching them on that, you would think I would too. I'm trying to find me a good spot to stand here. I'm gonna get out as far as I can. I moved downstream, I don't know, 20, 30 yards. And it's much shallower here. There we go. There we go. Oh, he threw it. He jumped and threw it. On that green one. All right, shifting gears again. I'm going back to this rainbow color rooster tail with a silver blade. And it is not snowing. Daggone, I lost my opportunity. Well, no, there's still some snowflakes in there. There we go. Finally. There we go. Little bitty thing. You know what? I will take it. Rooster tail. Little bitty thing. Oh, is it snowing? It is snowing. Caught my first trout in years, my first snow trout. And he absolutely choked that treble hook. There we go, I got it. Put those back. Okay, little bitty guy. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. First snow trout in years. So rare. So rare. And there is snowflakes in the air, so it is definitely a snow trout. Yay me! See you, my friend. And there he goes. I just wished it was snowing as hard as it was when we first got down here. It was absolutely pouring the snow, and I think the snow might be over, coming to an end. Oh, but I looked up. There were snowflakes flying, and there's still some snowflakes flying, so that counts as a snow trout. So yay me. Hey, here's another one. I think they're down here right under all these rocks. This one feels like a pretty good one. Nah, he ain't no bigger than the rest of them. I think I might have him foul hooked a little bit. All right. Oh, I got to take my glove off. All righty. He's a little better. Let me go get, there we go. Snow trout number 2, another brownie. That's interesting. I wonder where the rainbows are. Another little brownie. Thank you, my friend. Okay, I've worked my way downstream even further, and I really don't even know how this is going to work. I know it's extremely shallow down here, and I've only got muck boots on, but I'm going to try to get out here as far as I can. Don't know how far that's going to be. I'm standing on muddy, mossy rock. Ooh, golly, that was close. There's some rapids to my left, and that's kind of where we're working, but I know those are really, really... Oh, there we go. There we go. He was fairly close. He's a good one, Tim. Probably best one of the day. Oh yeah, that's a real good one. Keeping my rod tip up so he don't wrap himself around the line. That's a good one right there. That's the best one of the day. Turn him around here, hopefully. He's a good 12-inch fish right there. Nice, healthy brown. And it is not snowing, so I cannot call him a snow trout. But you know what? Again, he's wanting to go, so I'm gonna let him go. So long, my friend. All right, Tim and I have shifted downstream even further. And we're trying to get across here because there's a deeper, faster water over there. But again, we're not in waders, we're in muck boots. So we can only go as far as we can without sinking too deep. And I don't know, oh, that was close. Okay, I could very well hang up and break off through here because I know it's shallow out there, I just don't know how shallow. Now I'm reeling it fairly quick, simply because rooster tails, the faster you retrieve them, they're going to come up in the water column. So I'm going to retrieve this fairly fast. I'm afraid I may have to retrieve it too fast, but if I slow down much, then it's going to get hung up. Now these trout will chase them down. Oh, have I got one? I think I got one. Yeah, I got one. I thought I was hung up. See, I told you they'd chase him down. And I was reeling that really fast. He got that with moss on it. This is a snow trout because there's snow in the air. This counts as a snow trout. Look at the moss on that thing. He hit that even with moss on it. See, I thought I got hung up. Nice little brown. Thank you, my friend. Have you caught a rainbow? I haven't either. Everything I've caught's been browns. Maybe rainbows don't like playing in the snow. Okay, there's a deep pocket right in front of us. We're about to quit because we're both froze. But I want to throw this really bright jerk bait. The wind has really picked up and I'm having a hard time casting. Well, if you throw it straight up in the air like that, there's not much you can do. I got that a little closer to the bank than I wanted to. Oh, there we go. Golly, he hammered that. That's a rainbow, isn't it? No, it's a brown. Golly, he hammered that. Yeah, I got it. Little bitty thing, and he hammered that jerk bait like he ain't ate nothing in a month. Thank you, my friend. Well, Tim and I are calling it. We are froze, fingers, toes, and nose, but we enjoyed it. I was telling him on the way up here, there's nothing I like better than fishing when it's snowing, and we got that today.
It was a good day because we caught fish. Plus, this stretch of the river, we kind of worried about it, but the activity was low after this flood. So I think
it's coming back. It's just like the rest of the river system. The ecosystem is rebounding, and we had a good day.
We did. It was good.
We got to catch the rare snow trout, which is very rare. I haven't caught one in years, but we got to do that today.
Otherwise known as a little brown, but
yeah,
you know, it's snow. So.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that now if you understood anything I just said, because my lips are numb. We'll see you on the next one.
See ya.